So next question about blessings. Shalom, Rabbi. If a person can't remember a prophet blessing and has no Siddur, can the person say an approximate version in their own language?
Approximate version in their own language. I would say just make a photocopy. So that's right. So that's what we always suggest: make a photocopy and always carry with you. So, for example, for a man, they always have a wallet with them, right? Almost, right? Women have their pocketbooks or something always with them. So make seven different copies and have everywhere, wherever you eat, right? You have it in your office, in your workplace. So have a copy there in your desk or whatever, right? So you can have many of them. Take a picture with your phone. If it's not holiday, it's not Shabbos, have it on your phone. That's what my wife has. There is Siddurs. The Siddur that you can download for free from the internet, and they have all of the blessings. So I would say I'm not sure what is a situation would be that person does not have access to the blessing that they have to approximate. You understand? So there is just be prepared. Well, I have one person that learned with us, and he always complains. I don't know where my glasses are. So we told him there is a cheaper what is it, website. He needs reading glasses. Reading glasses very cheap. Prescription glasses very expensive, right? But reading glasses very cheap. So I told him it was a sale. I told him buy 7 pairs. He was laughing. I said, "Why are you laughing? You cannot. You never can find the glasses. Once you're in this room, starting in that room, they kick you from kitchen. They like whatever. He has all of this, the whole situation in the house." So I said, take in all of the rooms where you are, have 1 pair of glasses. So in your car, whatever. Sometimes we learn that he's in the car, whatever. So in each room that you're going to have a pair of glasses. What is the problem? Right, so we have to be prepared for these situations. So if you don't remember, no problem, but have a text somewhere. Okay. Just make sure if you go to the restroom, it has to have double cover. Double cover meaning we'll put it in a plastic bag and in your pocket. Plastic bag and your in your wallet. I know in the wallet it's very simple. For a man, right? You put in the wallet, you put in the pocket, it's double cover. For a woman, we'll put it in a plastic and put it in her bag, double cover, no problem. Or as we said on the phone. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.